What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I don't always look this crusty. So what I'm going to be using, this is what took me so long because I could not come to a concise decision on what brand I wanted to use. I've colored my hair so much over the years that I've used so many different brands, and so that's what was taking me so long. I wasn't sure if I wanted to just straight like clear out, bleach my hair, if I wanted to do a box color, if I wanted a specific color, if I wanted chocolate, if I wanted blonde, if I wanted burgundy, if I wanted red, if I wanted orange. I really couldn't decide, but after many weeks, which turned into months of just thinking about what's best for me, what's best for my decision. I'm not telling anybody to do this, but I decided to go ahead and get a box color, and I decided to get the 2 boxes of the Cream of Nature Exotic Shine color. Not a tutorial, this is just a see-torial. Like I said, we gonna see. I am applying this product to my straightened hair. So in order to film a quicker intro, I left all that chit chat out of the video, but basically this is 2-week-old straight hair. If you guys haven't seen my recent flat iron video, make sure you check out that video before this one. And basically I'm just applying the color straight onto my straight hair. And the reason I wanted to do this was because it's just easier to work through. So with my hair being straightened, obviously my density, my true density is shown, and it's just a lot easier to make sure that I get the product on every single strand. A lot easier to work, a lot quicker, because obviously you have process time to think about. And when I was thinking about when I wanted to straighten my hair, I definitely scheduled it this way on purpose. Secondly, I am using a hair color brush or product distributor brush. I did mix both boxes. I went ahead and mixed both of the boxes in my color bowl just because I knew I was going to use 2 and I didn't want to waste any of my processing time mixing the second box. And so what I did was, since I had already stripped all the old color out of my hair via Color Oops, I decided to leave that out of this video just because with the Color Oops, literally all you're doing is mixing it and applying it. I didn't have a huge drastic change with my Color Oops application, so I just feel like it wasn't necessary. But when I was sectioning off my hair right here, I did want to say that I did this section last because that's the section of my hair that is bleached. So obviously you want to process your already processed hair last, and then I'm going back in now and touching up my roots. Since that is the newest part of my hair, that hair is going to lift quicker. So it all was, you know, very carefully planned and thought about. Like I said, I'm no stranger to color. I've been applying color to my hair since I was in high school, so I pretty much know my hair and know the process of applying the color, but the results is something that, you know, it's always a wait and see type thing. So here I'm just working the products up into my roots and making sure that I'm getting it on every strand, but I didn't want my roots to be that color, so you guys will notice that I'm not taking it all the way to the tippy top. I'm actually leaving the top of my roots dark just because for me, I really hate when my hair has that like fresh colored look at the roots. I just never like that look on me. So I am choosing to keep my roots dark, but of course if you want, you know, your whole head to be colored, just make sure that you do that part last, but make sure you take the color all the way to the top. So this is after 45 minutes of processing time, 45 minutes. And you guys saw how light the color of that honey blonde was on the box, but after 45 minutes, this is as light as my low porosity hair would get. And keep in mind, this is my straightened hair with not a lick of water other than the water that's in the hair color. So for everybody that has something to say about how I flat iron my hair, child boo. My hair is just fine, and this is without shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioning, clarifying, all the whole reverting process. This is just literally adding liquid back to my hair. So this is actually like 4-day-old hair, but I wanted to put this clip in front of my outro just because I wanted you guys to see a true color payoff of what my hair looked like when it was dry. In my outro, I'm in my living room and the lighting is really bad in my living room. So I want to just quickly show you guys, even though this is old hair, what the color actually looks like dry. And then I just wanted to show you guys the inside. As you can see, like I said, I decided to keep my roots dark, but of course that is up to you. So just stay tuned for my final thoughts. Hashtag low porosity probs, right? I was hoping for the color of my test patch, and really my test patch didn't lift hardly at all. And then my hair lifted maybe 2 shades, like, but I wanted a little bangs to be cute for the video, but it ain't gonna be in my face past this video, I'm gonna tell you that. But my hair feels great. And I styled my hair with none other than the Miche beauty products because, baby, if you need some moisture, which I knew that I would, if you need some moisture, I really love those products, and my hair just feels so good. I don't feel like my hair was damaged at all. You guys already saw when I was applying my products, my curls reverted just fine. I just decided I wanted to do a twist and curl just because I wanted to use like some moisturizing products straight out of coloring my hair, or I'm coming off a flat iron. I just don't be wanting to use like heavy gels or drying products like the products that I tend to use for my wash and goes. So I opted to do a twist and curl. So that's the only reason my hair, you know, is like twist and curled. Looking kind of rod setty because I did put some rods on the end. I still want what I came for, okay? I don't know my next move moving forward because, again, that's the thing about doing this box dye. Even with that little bleached piece, it hasn't like broken off or anything, but I do feel like I have to baby it because the hair is a lot drier. It's a lot like frizzier. It just don't look as healthy as the rest of my hair. So I'm thinking maybe I don't want to go that light, but I definitely still want to go lighter because I'm not satisfied. When you have something that you're going for, you need to satisfy it. So this is cool for now, and I'm gonna let my hair recover because mama ain't raised no food. So in exactly 1 month's time, I am going to lighten it a couple of more shades. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't want to go the full bleach route, but again, I'm gonna research and search and decide what's best for me and how I want to do it, and then the time frame I want to do it, and the way, most importantly, that I want to do it, okay? I will say that my hair feels pretty much still low, maybe a little medium porosity. I was wondering if my porosity level was gonna change since I haven't colored my hair in so long, but I'm gonna monitor it. I'm not gonna speak on that just yet. I need to style my hair a few different ways before I just determine whether or not my porosity has changed, but I will keep you guys updated on that. We will be going lighter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's hot as in this apartment because I had to turn my air conditioner off to film this video, so I got to go, okay? Like and subscribe, become my cousin, all that good stuff, and I will see all you guys in the next upload. I look stupid. I was trying to do that little suck your jaws in thing to give yourself some contour and dimension that Tia Myra was talking about, and she was teaching Auntie Loretta on Instagram, but I look stupid.
Number one, it's all about, of course, finding your angle, right? Rule number 2 is I'm teaching her you have to suck in just a little bit like that to create a jawline. So see? See? She said she feel like she looked like a fish.